guys, what's up? It's Annie. Today's adventure brings us to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Jambo House. This is where we'll be staying the next 5 days, so let's go check it out. While I'm down here, I wanted to show you guys the lobby of the hotel, which is pretty beautiful. It's pretty awesome. There's a lot of seating. You have the front desk over here. The front entrance is straight ahead. And then there's actually one of the restaurants right here, but just one floor lower. And then these huge windows. Right off from the lobby, sometimes they have live performances, and right now they have drummers. So my room is actually on the same floor as the lobby, which is on the 3rd floor. It's actually the floor you come in from outside. So you just come in on the 3rd floor, which is kind of weird. You don't even know you're on the 3rd floor, but you are. But it's a little bit of a walk down the hall, but it's kind of cool because there are all these huge windows as you're walking and you can see out to the animals. So that's really neat. And then our room is down this hallway. You can actually see down to the 2nd floor from here. The theming of the resort is really nice. It's really beautiful. Our room for this trip is 3352. It's right here. Here is our door. I love that. Here's what you see when you first walk into our room. We actually have a door that leads to the next hotel room, but sadly no friends in there, so that is closed. Then you have a huge closet right here. It's a beautiful piece. Really, really nice. I'm gonna come back to that once I show you guys the main part of the room. Look at those headboards. They are gorgeous. We have 2 queen-size beds, one for myself, one for my mom. They're super comfy, really nice pillows. It's kind of strange because they only have, you would think, kind of a thin sheet on them. There's not like a super thick comforter, but they've worked. My mom got an extra blanket from the closet for our stay here, and that's done the trick for me. Just having this has been fine. I was kind of surprised. But yeah, and then we have this table and chairs over here. Let me turn on this light because it is so cool. Like, look at that light. Oh, I love that so much. We have this mirror right here. Really cute. Then we have this huge dresser right here with, again, a huge TV above it. We haven't used the TV at all. We haven't even turned it on, which is kind of sad. But here's the dresser. Nice drawers. Great space to put all your stuff. Some outlets up here. Awesome. Yeah, lots of places to charge your phone and all of your items here. But yeah, that's the dresser. I just think it's so beautiful. Like, it's a really nice, sturdy piece of furniture. Oh, I wanted to show you. Under the beds, you can store all your suitcases down there. There's tons of room. Like, look at that. I really like that. I like that they're kind of on stilts. I think it's really cool. Then we have this little table here. More places to charge items. Look at that. Just the furniture in here is so beautiful. Look at the headboard. So on each side of the bed you have a little table like this, and I actually love this. I think this is a great use of space just to put your stuff on. I have my headphone bag on top of it, and then I just had my charger here, but I really like that to put stuff on. So you have that on each side of each bed. So there's one over here too. It has my mom's Baby Yoda Tervis tumbler on it. So cute. Oh, and then look at this art. I love this. I think that is so unique looking. How cool is that? But yeah, so you have a light there and a light there and a light here. So you're gonna turn on all the lights right in between the beds. There's an up lights which is going to be the lights above each headboard. And then you have the sconces light, which is going to be these. And then you have the ceiling light, which is going to be this light right up here. And then the good night light is just going to turn off everything so you can go to sleep. Oh, this is cute. I just found hidden Mickeys in the curtains. They're very subtle. It took me days to see them, but yeah, that's so much fun. There's another one. Here is our view out on our balcony. I think this is cool because this is an area where they have people sometimes go and like you can get closer to the animals, I guess, if you're in that area. I think they call it a people pen, which is a little strange. But right now there's not many animals out. I see a zebra off in the distance, but sometimes you see a lot right here, including giraffes, zebras, like just all different kinds of animals. So I'll try to show you another time so you can see what we see. But this is our view at our room. Oh, here's someone coming on a golf cart. This is exciting. I think it's feeding time for the animals right now. But yeah, we have 2 chairs out here. So we have a chair there and a chair here and a little table. I wanted to give you guys a better look at our closet. Here it is. It's a beautiful piece of furniture. Absolutely gorgeous. But when you go on the left side, you have a really thin closet where you can hang your clothes. And you could even put your shoes on the ground right there. And then at the top, there's some extra pillows and blankets, and that goes over to the other side of the closet. So you can access that top shelf on either side. And then you have a little cubby here and a safe, and then a shorter closet. So that would be perfect for kids' clothes or just for kids to access the closet. So yeah, that's the closet. I just think it's a beautiful closet. So over here you have some shelves with your ice bucket, your glasses, you have a coffee maker. In this drawer you have a bunch of different coffee and tea items, some mugs. And then in here you have your little fridge, and it has a clear door so you can see everything in it. But just a really nice little fridge. Over here on the wall you have some decorative baskets. Really nice touch, really lends to the African feel of the whole resort. This is the view right outside of our balcony, and you can see so many animals just right in front of you, which is amazing. Oh, there's even more out there in the distance. Wow. Look at this giraffe right here. It's so close. It's really beautiful. I almost think they look at us just as much as we look at them. But yeah, they're beautiful. That's definitely one of the perks of staying here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's no other place I can think of where you have animals right outside your balcony, unless you go to maybe Africa on a safari. So this is awesome. And this door right here leads to the bathroom, and it has a nice full-length mirror on it. So when you walk into the bathroom, you see you have 2 double sinks, have your little towel rack, one of these mirrors. Then you have a shelf here. As you can see, we have all our products on the shelf. And then you have some Disney H2O Plus products. You have some body lotion, a shower cap, mouthwash, and a vanity kit. You also have a cubby down here where you can put your hairdryer or any of your styling tools. So they have a hairdryer that is in the room. So just a Conair hairdryer. So in this room we have a toilet. We have some nice shelves with the towels. I actually love this setup for towels. I think that's really nice and organized. And then here is the shower. And there's some sliding doors right here, so you can move it around a bit. And then they have the built-in shampoo, conditioner, body wash. There's sea marine and sea salt scents. And there's also a little cubby here where you can put your other products. And then yeah, you have 2 shower heads. I've been using this one because I found that it has better water pressure, but there's also this rain shower, so that's another option. But yeah, I just think the shower is really nice looking. I like this design. And you also have a sliding door here, so you have your privacy if someone wants to use the sinks out here. So like I said, the lobby is on the 3rd floor, and then when you go down to the 2nd floor, here's how you get outside to view the animals even closer. Yeah, right outside they have this huge fire pit and lots of chairs around it. So again, straight ahead, that's the lobby, and then you come out here and you can see all the different rooms right here overlooking this main area where the animals are. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. You're like really close to the animals here. That's unbelievable. They're all just standing there so still. Why are they standing so still? Whoa. While it's still early in the morning and there's no one at the pool, I wanted to show it to you. Oh my gosh, there's ducks swimming in the pool. That's adorable. But this is the pool. It's massive. Wow. This looks really, really nice. Yeah, there's 3 ducks just chilling in the pool right now. Lots of beach chairs. The water looks beautiful. Wow. I think I definitely might need to go swimming later today. Yeah, I just wanted to show it to you while there was no one here. Very tranquil and serene. It's early in the morning. We can just watch the ducks swim by. And here are the hours for the pool. It's open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Right next to the pool is a restaurant called The Mara, and we actually ate here for breakfast every morning. And it's just a nice spot. They have seating outside, but then they have also seating inside. And it's just a nice quick service location. Oh, love this spot at the pool. This is actually the opposite view that I showed you earlier. So we are on the complete opposite side of the pool from this morning when the pool was closed. Here's the bar that's attached to the pool. It's really cute. There's a lot of seating, and then they have lots of fun drinks here. I'm actually gonna get the sangria. And then look, African Sunset Flamingo Mule. I got my Mama Riesling. And then it looks like they have some snacks here. Oh, actually entrees. Ooh. Oh, those look pretty. Maybe I should have got one of those. Ooh, frosé. Oh, I totally missed that. Bummer. Oh, here's my red sangria. It's gorgeous. So pretty. Sitting right here. The pool bar is right here. And then there's animals right here. There's little flamingos. And look, the giraffes are this close right now. How insane is that? I guess they're having their evening snack, dinner. They are so close to the pool. This is Mom's new favorite spot at the resort. She can just chill out on one of these rocking chairs and look at the animals. So we're just about to hop on the Magical Express to head to the Orlando airport, but before we do, I just wanted to end this vlog. We had a great stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. It was a beautiful, beautiful resort, especially if you love animals, lots of animals to see, and our room was super comfortable. Our only complaint that we had was with the bus system here, the bus system to get to and from the parks and the hotel. It was just a little bit on the slow side. There weren't as many buses running, and it just took a long time sometimes. So just know that going in that you might want to hop on an Uber sometimes. Like, it can be under $10 to take an Uber to the park. So that's a lot better than waiting 45 minutes for a bus. So we did that sometimes. Unfortunately, there's no other way to get to the parks. You can either take the buses, take an Uber, take a Lyft, drive your own car, but again, that's expensive. So it would be nice if there was a monorail system, if the Skyliner came here, but really you're just left with the bus. So just know that going in, but it is a beautiful resort and we had a great time, but now we have to head back to Maryland. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm also going to link my vlogs from the Contemporary Resort and the Dolphin Hotel below if you want to check those out. And until the next vlog, bye guys.